Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and playing around with the Slay Glam box. And this is the look that I created with the Slay Glam box. Spoiler alert, 10 out of 10 this month. Now with this month's box, Slay Glam did kindly send this box out to me so I could review it for you guys. Really quick before we get into the try-on portion, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette, and if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. Also, if you like these types of videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell because I'm random. I upload at least twice a week, but it's on different days. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and try-on portion. Usually I start with the star of the show, which is always the eyeshadow palette for me. But today I'm going to start with the lips because mine are super dry and I want to try out these lip products. So this is a lip pencil from Italia Deluxe and this is in the shade Wine and it's a beautiful lip liner. I am so excited to try these lip products. So I'm just going to line my lip and I do have to say, like, this is gliding on. I mean, honestly, this color on its own with a little bit of lip gloss is beautiful. Next up, we got the Lippy from Gerard Cosmetics, and I'm so excited to try this. This shade looks beautiful. This is in the shade Ecstasy, and it's a really pretty purple. I absolutely love these two together. It smells so good, too. I've heard nothing but great things about Gerard Cosmetics, so I'm excited to try this lipstick. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love this color lipstick. That is so cute. Very pigmented. It feels really comfortable on the lips. The smell is amazing. I absolutely love the smell on this lipstick. I mean, honestly, is that not like the prettiest combo? I love that. Super cute. Okay, so next up we have the Chloe Or highlighter, and this is a rainbow highlighter, and look at how cute. It looks just like a little rainbow. So cute. Okay, so I've seen Rasha, she had swatched this and it looked like a rainbow still, so I'm going to try to do the same. I'm just going to like run my finger across. Ooh, and it does pick up like a rainbow. Hopefully it swatches that way. Yes, it does. Look at how cute. Isn't that so cute? Like, I'm not going to try to swirl my finger in there because I don't want the colors to mix up. I still want to have the rainbow highlighter. That is like so smooth on your skin as well. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just swatch it back and forth. And when you just rub it back and forth, you still get that rainbow effect, but it just like ombres. And how pretty is that? Oh my god, I love it. Okay, I'm excited to use it. Okay, so I'm going to try to do the same thing with my brush and just swipe in these top two colors. And then swipe. Oh my god, it looks like a rainbow on my skin. That's so cool. And then just swipe it up. How cool is this? Get out of here. Super cute. And just swipe. And I love how it looks like a rainbow still. How cute is this? That is adorable. Definitely a win for the highlighter. I mean, that's really different. So next up we got this product from Charmacy, and this is going to be an eyeshadow primer. I was hoping that it was going to be like the NYX glitter glue, but it's clear, which is different for an eyeshadow primer. It feels like a gel. Huh, that's kind of weird. So I feel like what I'm going to do is I'm going to put primer on one eye and not prime the other eye. I'm just going to use the smallest amount because I don't want to go in too crazy. Sometimes if you go too ham with these primers, it can make your eyeshadow look crepey, and that is not what I want. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer all over the lid. Okay, so I'm just going to give that a couple minutes to dry down, but in the meantime, we're going to talk about the star of the show, which is always the eyeshadow palette for me, especially this month. This is a St. Angel Centers and Slay Glam collaboration palette. Okay, if you've never tried St. Angel Centers formula, you are in for a treat because the formula is phenomenal on her eyeshadow palettes. I actually got to chat a little bit with Darcy, and she is just the sweetest person. And I'm so excited to try out her eyeshadow palette. This right here is her favorite shade out of the palette. Today, I'm probably not going to do the oranges. I'm going to do these purples because if you know me, girl, you know I like to coordinate everything. So I'm going to do something to match this lippy we got. And this top row is definitely going to match the lippy so well. I love how Rasha coordinates all the boxes, you already know. So I'm just going to start by swatching this top row. Look at all of these purples. Aren't they gorgeous? I love purple eyeshadows. I don't wear them enough. And I'm so glad that we got these 4 different shades. Next row. Okay, these are gorgeous. This peachy orange color here is so beautiful. Absolutely love this orange duochrome. So beautiful, like so pretty. Now I know that we did get an eyeshadow primer with our box this month, but in all honesty, with St. Angel Center's formula, you do not need an eyeshadow primer. And this is the last row. So pretty. That duochrome is gorgeous. The duochromes are like butter. Okay, to start off, I'm going to start off with this purple shade. And I'm just going to start applying that in the transition area. And this primer has had plenty of time to dry down. It doesn't feel sticky once it dries down. And we're just going to work this color in and bring it up to the brow bone. And same thing for this side. Now this is the side that I do not have the primer on. This matte formula is beautiful. So next I'm going to go into this purple shade over here. And I'm just going to start packing that on the outer corner just to start deepening it up. And of course I'm going to work it around into the crease. Again, same thing for this side, bringing it around into the crease. I'm just going to go back with my first brush and just blend the two together. We don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going to go into this dark purple shimmer shade right here. I'm just going to start putting that in the crease. I'm not going to bring it around. I just want to darken up this outer corner a little bit. I love this purple. Same thing for this side. Going back with that first brush and just going to blend out again. Now I'm going to go into this purple here. I'm just going to put it on the front part of the lid. This shade is so beautiful. Wow, that is stunning. I love it. Like literally how smooth these are is insane. To get the palettes that we get in Slay Glam is absolutely amazing. I mean, honestly, we get some of the best eyeshadow palettes from Slay Glam. I mean, the quality is just so amazing on this. So now I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that dark purple. And I'm just going to blend out this outer corner again. I mean, literally, this eye look. OMG. Okay, so I'm going to go into this dark purple shade. And I'm going to run it underneath the lower lash line. I love this dark purple color. It's so pretty. I'm just using the eyeliner we got out of, I believe it was last month's Slay Glam box. This is the Chloe Or eyeliner. Really like this black pearl one. It's black with like a purple undertone. I thought would be perfect for this look. So I'm just gonna take like a little bit of this purple shade here on a small flat brush. And I'm gonna use that for my brow bone highlight. So pretty, look at that purple. Isn't that beautiful? And also the inner corner. And that worked like perfectly. It is so pretty. So of course, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes because this look needs lashes. Like, I feel like I've been such a lash girl lately, which is definitely different for me, but I love these Ioni ones from the Dollar Tree. They're $1.25 and they are the most comfortable eyelash on your lid. Like, there's no weight to them. They go on very easily, and I reuse mine a lot, so definitely worth your money. Okay, girl, so I got the lashes on, and this is the completed look. I love it. This month's box is a 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely loved every single product. So first of all, we're going to start with the star of the show. Absolutely love, love, love this eyeshadow palette from St. Angel Centers. and Slay Glam. They did a beautiful job working together. St. Angel Center's formula is fabulous. You are going to love this formula. Again, if you've never got to try St. Angel Center's, I am so happy for you because you're in for a treat. This is a great brand, and I'm so happy that we are getting brands like this in our Slay Glam box. Like, every month just gets better and better. Yes, yes, and yes to these two products. I absolutely love this lip liner. It's super creamy and it pairs so well with the Gerard Cosmetics Lippy. I absolutely love the Lippy. It's very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel like overly drying, which I love. And I really hope to see more of Gerard Cosmetics in our box. This highlighter is stunning. Like, literally, you can swipe it on and it looks like a rainbow on your cheek. It's super cool. The formula is super buttery on this. It's not chunky. It's very smooth on the skin. So I'm so happy we got this. And I also love that you can use it as individual colors as well. So I love this little highlighter. I actually did enjoy the eyeshadow primer. So what I noticed is I didn't have to build this side up as much as I did this side. It did help, I would say, with the pigment on the colors, even though without the primer, it still built up really nicely and they look the same. But overall, it worked beautifully. It didn't make the duochrome look crepey, which is a huge thing. Sometimes eyeshadow primers can do that, but this one did not. But as always, girl, let me know. What do you think about this month's box? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!